Hello guys, I'm Wenji. Today just a bonus video. It's like the video that I made before, but this time we're using a different board. Like this, I will use an ESP32. Which one? I think this one is good. Basically you just have to switch the pin SDI and SL. How to know the pin? You can just Google SP32 S2 pinout. Look for the this one pretty big. It's nice image. We have to look at where is the SDI and ACL pin. There you go. SDI is 8 and SEL is 9. So 9 and 8. The wiring is basically the same. 30 is 3.3. Let's go to ground. 9 and 8. 8 SDI 8, SCL 9. Yeah, that basically it. Can just paste the code. Here I just copy or paste it. This it is using SSD. The fruit. Mm, yeah, that basically it. You can try to simulate this. It should work. I hope so. Waiting for compile. Wait a bit. There you go. Your dasai emoji in ESP32. You can just look up the pinout if you using different board like Arduino Nano. Just type the pinout. You will get this kind of image. You can look it up. Where is the pin located? Okay. Yeah. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you guys. Bye.